Yo. I'm over here now. I'm over here now. What the fuck? I'm all fucking tangled up over here. I'm all tangled up. Who's out there? Jay, Tick Daddy. Just ain't right. Mwah. Cube. D-Walk. Lance. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody who celebrates it. I got fucked up shit in my head. I can't say it. Markel, what up? Corey. Who's that? Oh, Lucid. Yeah, that's free account. Well, Take Private Trader does shit like that. Slick Rick, The Ruler, Dario, Clinvale, Cyberpie, Coffee Buff. Hello, good sir. Bro, Tyson. Right now, no fucking exaggeration. As far as I know, they pay the fastest in the game. No one pays faster, including My Fund the Futures. And I know we all know how fast they pay. The difference between Lucid and My Fund the Futures, and this is only if you're in the United States. You can still trade with Lucid, but if you're in the States, the money gets dumped right into your fucking bank account as soon as they approve it. Literally a minute later, the money hits your bank account. With My Fund the Futures, it hits Rise first. Then you got to go into Rise and withdraw from Rise, and that takes a little extra time, like another day, maybe. I mean, that Rise dumps it right into your bank account too, but you got to log into Rise and fucking put your little special code in. So Lucid's got it. Empires, what up? That's how all firms should be, as fast as they pay. But we know that's not how that's not always the case. P, what up? What up? I got to log into my accounts. I literally just woke up like 15 minutes ago. Angel, what up? Just woke up. So let me log into my accounts. I was doing some trading last night. Tick Daddy was there. Not live, but I was posting. I was giving the play-by-play in the Discord. The best community on these prop firm streets. And it was fun. So much fun. So much fun. He was there. He was there. I'll show you guys a screenshot before I show you any balances. It was fucking exciting. So exciting. Shit, I can't even fucking find. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. The NQ has barely moved, which is what I thought was going to happen. It never moves on these fucking days. But gold don't give a fuck about your turkey. 78,000 were funded. P? You're asking the wrong guy. You know what I would say? If you're asking, then you already know the answer. But that's up to you, man. I wouldn't just do it. Wait for something. And if it doesn't, wait for a setup that you like to look for. And if it doesn't present itself, don't fucking take the trade. You could always get that shit passed tomorrow or when the market reopens, when there's more volume. J Stores. You feel me? Can you feel me? I moved, guys. You see behind me? I moved. I wish I fucking moved. Jesus. This shit is taking for fucking ever, man. Painter still isn't done, that piece of shit. I'm about to fucking go drag his ass out from his family fucking Thanksgiving dinner and be like, finish this, you fucking cocksucker. I like him, though. He's a nice guy. But goddamn, bro. Finish your shit. He does pretty good work. Drifter. Eric J. Carlos. Greg, what up? Curtis. Curtis Blow in the house. Tim Morgan. Yeah, P, exactly, bro. Like, there's no what prop firm is it? What firm is it that you're $78 away from passing your eval? You dirty rat. Not you. Oh, I don't even think it matters. I think today and tomorrow count as the same day. You know what I'm saying? So even if you were to get the $78 right now, you might not be able to activate it until after Friday anyway. You're in Reno? I'm in Vegas. I'm in Vegas, bro. Originally from Long Island, but I live out here in Vegas for literally it was 6 years earlier this month. Funded Futures Family or Apex? Apex. All day. I didn't even know that prop firm was still in business. If you traded last night, well, what do you mean, Tyson? When the market reopens when? At 3 p.m.? At 6 p.m. Eastern? Hold on, let me turn my screen on, guys. Sorry, chat. Hey, chat, my bad, chat. Let me turn my screen on. I know you love the new digs. I know you love my digs here, right? Fucking shit is dope. But you don't want to see this. You want to see the charts. You want to see my screen. You want to see my pecker. I mean my screen. You want to see my Fibonacci. What just happened? Oh, I didn't know I could do that. Yo, look at that, bro. Maybe I can make my fucking head smaller. That'd be cool. Not that one. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't matter. All right. Tyson, it depends on the prop firm. It depends on the prop firm. They're all different. Some of them put the days together. Some of them count them as separate. So you got to just figure, you got to check with your respective prop firm. You heard? All right. Here's the NQ, guys. Trading in a fucking, let me go to the 5-minute. I mean, you guys already know what it's been doing because you guys have been trading. 286 is literally from this wick to this fucking wick right here. It's 30 points. But watch gold. Gold kind of calmed down, but gold has been moving. That's the hourly. Gold has been moving all night. Gold fucking moved a lot last night. Like right here. Look at this. Is that what I was trading? I think I was trading that. Here's the low of day. We retested the high. Didn't quite get there. Came back. Almost hit the 786. Got through the 707. Bounced. And then was just fibbing for a while. Gold was fibbing. It closes. I think the market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern today. What do you mean? It's going to close does that mean it's going to close in a half hour? I think it's 1 p.m. Eastern today, and then 1:15 tomorrow. Eastern. Lucid? I don't know. Let me check. Damn. Look at this fucking guy. Wow, wow, we wow. That's not mine, by the way. Lucid. Let me see. They have not. They have not. It does not say. You see, guys. This is Lucid's Discord. It does not say that they are the same. They are one day. So it looks like with Lucid, it's a separate day. You'll know after the market updates. Like after after 2:30, after Trade of 8 updates or whatnot, or all the platforms update, you'll know. But you'll also know by like your calendar when the market reopens and you're looking at your trading calendar where your stats are. You'll see it on a separate day if it is, but it doesn't say that it's the same day. See, if I go to Apex though, if I go to Apex's Discord, look, Apex. I don't know if you can see it. Important reminder: Thursday and Friday will be combined and counted as a single day. So it depends on the firm. So that answers your question, P. No need to fucking try to force $78 down your fucking account's throat. You could wait if you want to, if you don't see anything that you like. Evan Cortez, what up? They added the flex plan. You guys see the flex plan? Where is it? Is it on their site? So it's not on their site yet. But can I buy it? Let me see. They posted it on their Twitter. Is it live though? I don't know if it's live yet. Where did I see it? I just saw it. I literally was just looking at it. I don't know if I could buy. I don't know if we could buy it yet. They said it was available. Maybe it's available. Oh, it's available tomorrow. Tomorrow they're going to have the flex plan. No daily loss limit. No daily loss limit. That's the biggest change. And then also tomorrow I was looking. Also, the flex plans will be available. The flex plans will be available only on Trade of 8 and Rhythmic. No Project SlipX. Another thing that's happening is they're adjusting the funded consistency rule from 35% to 40% on pro accounts. That's cool. Where did I see? I was just with promote notice board. Flex, yo. Flex. Oh, that's Apex. Not going to find anything about flex in there. Oh, so they're going to be doing some fucking town hall to announce flex. Here it is. This is what I saw. Right here. This is what it's going to be. 40% off. You'll have your choice of a 25, 50K, 100K, and a 150K flex account starting tomorrow. And then there's a 50% consistency rule on evals. This just I think the payout, I think it's going to be very similar to like Top Step XFAs when you get your funded account. Let's just put it that way. And then and how like My Fund the Future did that flex add-on. And then Pro is going to be 40% consistency instead of 35% consistency, which is great. So if you want to push a little harder to get a day, you know, in terms of profit without having to grow the account anymore, you'll be able to a little bit more. So like 3,600 is max payout land for the first couple of payouts on a 50K pro account, a pro funded account. At 35%, the most you could get is 1,260 without having to grow it any further. If you're pushing for max payout land. Now at 40%, you could grow it to 1,440. It's like another $180. I don't know if they're changing any. Let me see if they're changing anything else. Oh, here it is right here. They're changing the name to Lucid Pro, eval and funded, 40% consistency. They're raising the prices a little bit on those pro accounts to make room for the flex accounts. But they're still cheap, especially when there's no activation fee. And then this is all about live shit. Anyway, let's get back to the charts. I hope you guys were able to see that. LK, what up? Curtis, yeah, I've been trading gold. I've just been trading it more and more and more to the point where I don't even fuck with the NQ unless it's for an eval. I don't trade my funded accounts with the NQ. Chabiz, what up? Ice Cube. Yeah, thanks, bro. I found it, bro. Cube. C. Charisse, Great Dane. It got leaked in Sage's Discord. What if, who leaked it? Was it Sage or just someone in the Discord? I don't think Sage would do that. He's a douche anyway. Yo, Desmond. Volk's part. They held your Volk's part. Elite Trader Funding held your payout hostage, made you wait 10 days, and then decided to tell you that you're going to go live. Tickle, what up? Jamila. Jamila. Hey, everybody say hello to Jamila. She's here. Oh, Jamila, yeah. I know you always said gold was your bae. I learned some things about gold. That sucks that you don't get any of that money, though, Volk's part. They're always looking for ways. People say that shit about Apex. Elite Trader Funding's always looking for ways to not pay motherfuckers. I see shit like that all the time. Yeah, Empire. There's only with Lucid, there's no subscription. You buy your account and that's it. And then when you pass, if and when you pass your eval, you don't have an activation fee. All right, let me show you my accounts. You keep hearing that profits might change to 730 profit split on what, live or? Coach Singh, what's up? Evan, I heard right now you could get 20% off pro. I heard that it's going to 50% for Black Friday. That's what I heard. That's basically what their expert plan. What used to be their expert plan. Hold on, my dog's outside. My dog. Come on. Oh, yeah, I know. You're the best. Best dog ever. Coach Singh, TJP, NJ. Yeah, anyway, let me show you what I got going on here. You guys ready for this? Are you ready to see what I did to my Take Profit Trader accounts? Are you fucking ready? Ooh, look at that. Day 5. Day 5 in the books. Now we'll have 5 funded Take Profit Trader accounts. I haven't touched these yet. I haven't traded these yet. I'm kind of just chilling. Was kind of focused on other accounts. But I might not touch them at all, and I'm probably going to put these 150s in a group together. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put them all. I don't know. I was going to do like that way. You know, in Tradeovate, you could put different size accounts in groups and like assign a different type of weight towards them. I was going to do that, but I don't think I want to fuck around with that on pro accounts. But after today, I'll have 2 50K funded accounts and 3 150Ks, which is, and then I'm going to trade them. I don't think I'm going to try to get a day one payout. Definitely not on the 150s. Bowser. Yeah, I might just never trade them ever. I might just flip micros just to keep them, but never trade them. Alfred. I don't know, man. It's different now. I'm different now. I'm not trying to get these crazy fucking payout days. My goal is to get to the buffer. Jose Carlos, what up? Pine Tree. Yeah, bro. It's always payouts have always been the name of the game, and I've displayed that I could get payouts. We all know I could get payouts. I literally haven't missed a fucking month. I missed after my first ever payout. I missed, which was in May of 2024. I missed June, and then July, and ever since July of 2024, I've gotten a payout every month. But the golden, the holy grail of fucking prop firm trading is being able to hold on to the accounts and continue to get payouts. And that's something I've been working on and finally doing. Jamila, you see, hey, you guys see Jamila? Next trade, Lou. How easy can it be? How hard can it be? Yeah, I'm definitely going to take my time, Alfred. I thought about maybe pushing the 50Ks maybe for a day one payout, but I'm not trying to fucking trade 3 or 4 minis of fucking gold. I'm good on that. Kasalisk. Yeah, Asia's going to be good. De Leon, yeah. I would like to if I can. I'll bring my laptop with me. I'll be at my mother-in-law's later for Thanksgiving. I will be bringing my laptop with me. Your laptop will be with your boy. Yo, somebody Greg, thanks, Jay. Thanks, Jay. So, all right. So that's all I traded. Intake Profit Trader. And then I have my Apex accounts. Oh man, gold. See that? You see, guys, like I see these fucking things all fucking day, man. I really do. Watch this. Watch this. You're gonna love my nuts. Watch this. You're gonna love my nuts. Look at this wick. Almost wick down to the 786. Bounced. How many ticks from there? 845 to fucking 915. 70 ticks. And then here, You see, guys? You see, guys? 707 rejection. 4. How many fucking points? How many ticks? 929? This shit just kept going down. Almost 100 ticks. Meanwhile, the NQs ain't doing shit, bruh. Look at the NQ. All right, let me show you what else I traded. This is all I traded last night. This fucking account right here. You want to see something funny? You see this account? I got to show you the trade. You got to see this, guys. All right. You see, guys? You see? This right here, I couldn't have played this any fucking better. I couldn't have gotten a better entry. This was last night during Asia. It might have been during the Europe session. I don't remember what time it was. What time was it? 9:49 p.m. my time, I think. Let's see. Yeah, 9:49 my time. So it was I think it was still Asia. Look at this fucking entry. I get in here. I get in here for it's a fucking nice bounce on a larger time frame. 10 fucking ticks I get. This fucking shit. And I had my original take profit around here. Around here. That's where I had it. And I could have made like 400, 500 bucks. I get taken out 10 ticks later at 784. It runs before it even pulls back. It runs to fucking 895. It runs more than that. It runs 116 ticks. But look how fucking far it went from where I got taken out for 10 whole fucking ticks. Not that I wanted all of that because I'm not trying to violate consistency rules, but fuck me. Can I hold a fucking trade? 84. It went up over 200 ticks total. And I only fucking stuck around for 10 of them. So then naturally, after that, karma starts coming into play. And karma says, you know what, Jay? You're a fucking asshole for not holding your goddamn fucking trade for more than 10 ticks when you were right. The move was there. So anything you do now, you're going to fucking lose. And that's what kept happening to the point where, watch this. I posted it in the Discord. Watch this. Let me find this fucking shit. It was bad. It was real bad. And I was pissed. I was tilting. I wasn't tilting because I was losing. I was tilting because I was hating myself for not holding the fucking trade when I was right. Look at this is where I was at. This shit was almost, I mean, it got down another, I might have gotten down into the 500s or the 400s in terms of my remaining drawdown. But I was down right there when I took that screenshot and I was in the trade. I was down 1,700 bucks. I was so fucking pissed. You don't even know how fucking mad I was, unless you were there. Marcin. Yeah, tickle, yeah. Eric Graham, what's good? JP. Central. Yo. Don't worry, I'm not red anymore. Well, I'm not red anymore. I got it all back. But fuck, man. Why? I am not proud of the fact that I was down 1,700 bucks before I was able to get it all back. I mean, I'm proud of my work getting it back, but it didn't have to be like that. All I had to do was just hold this a little fucking longer. A little fucking longer. And I would have been perfectly fine with $400 or $500. I'd be annoyed at the fact that I could have gotten a $1,200 day in, but whatever. And then I traded these. I got 340. This wasn't easy either because I'm an idiot. I was actually up. You know what happened? Because of what happened here. So here we go again. We had another 786. We had a 786 bounce right here. We just missed it. I got filled here and I was up about 400 bucks, didn't take it. Then I got stopped out to lose a couple hundred. And then I got back in and then I started, and then I got, then I did okay on those two. But gold was fucking moving last night. Gold is the shit. Gold is the fucking shit, guys. You see, guys? Yash. Yeah, well, you got Project X isn't going away until they're not going away until what? February or some shit. All right, let's see what we could do here. I want to trade these other fucking funded accounts. Is there any room? Not that. Let me change from Fib D's nuts to Fibtastic for the group. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see what we're looking at here. Gold is the shit. Gold will also. What up, Tactical? Shahid, gold is gold. I love gold, but man, gold will fuck with you. Gold will fuck with you. It fucks with you in different ways than the NQ does, though. Oh, I got a new eval that came through on a rebuild. Shit, I didn't even notice that. Anyway, sorry, I was looking at some text, Joe. I'm logging into my Apex account. I hope I didn't pay fucking full price on this fucking thing, which is like 50% off because it was a rebuild. Anytime I get like a lot of the deals lately with Apex is you get the discount on the first month, but the second month rebuilds at 50%. And also, if you ever take advantage of that one-time use coupon that they give you after you blow a funded account, that is 80% off one time, and then it's 50% off every other month. So, like, if you whatchamacallit, if you don't pass those evals, you got to remember to cancel them unless you want to pay a lot more on the rebuild. I don't. Let's draw some happy Fibonacci's. Interesting spot for a rejection if we go by this high. If we go by this high right here, wow, fuck. Yeah. 786 rejection for how many ticks? I mean, it's not moving a lot, but 20-something ticks. I don't even care about the VWAP. I don't know. I do and I don't. I'm going to expand this, though, to this high. And it was still a 618 rejection. I might expand it even higher. But right now, I'm waiting for – right now, I'm going to wait for it to come down maybe a little bit more and hit a 786. I mean, it's kind of ranging now. Gold is kind of ranging, but it is giving you opportunities. If you draw the fibs, you could see them. The fibs be fibbing. So that's a high. Let's see if it comes down here. I don't know what's going to happen here. If I go to the 5-minute, Yeah, it's kind of just starting to flatline, but let me go back to the 1 minute. I'm more of a 1 minute man when I trade. But if we go here, I think we just bounced that right there. That drop, this drop here was a bounce off the 786. So this might be just pulling back to go higher. Watch. Watch this. You're going to love my nuts. There's the high. Here's the low. Yeah, we dipped below the 786 just a little bit, just a smidge, just a tip. Like 6 or 7 ticks. And then we bounced. How many ticks from there? 835 to 897. 62 ticks. That's not a lot. Especially at this time when you look at the fucking NQ and nothing's happening. This is the NQ. We're in a fucking 10-point range right now. Fuck the NQ. Seriously. You see, guys, I'm going to put an order here, guys. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm probably not going to get filled. It's probably going to go up to the 707 and reject. It'll come right before my order. But I put it there anyway because that's where I want to get filled. V33, what up? iTrades. Hey, Mr. Tactical, you're good, bro. If that's what you got to do to get back into a groove and a rhythm, then do it. You're fine, man. Josh, what up? You see, guys? Jonathan Stewart. You know why? Because other countries don't give a fuck about Thanksgiving. Coach Fred. Jonathan Stewart, I don't even fuck with the NQ anymore. I only mess with it. I only mess with it when I'm trying to play pass or smash on evals. I do not trade my funded accounts with the. I don't trade the. I trade NQ. I don't fuck with only for evals at this point. And even then, I'll still try to pass accounts with gold. Yeah, ask a Native American if they're celebrating Thanksgiving. How hard can it be? Maximus, what up? Tick Daddy. Maxwell. Yo. It's true, though. It's true, though. You know, it's true. It's not like this wholesome, happy fucking holiday. All the pilgrims. Yeah. You fucker. Couldn't go up. How many more ticks did I need? Couldn't go up 12 more ticks. Guys. Oh, it's new hour fuckery, guys. Be careful, guys. You see, guys? Corey the head scalper. Oh, it's funny. Carlos. Yo. Yeah. Stephen Cox. Jay Stores. Yo, Jay Stores. How do you like that Nimmo deal? How you feel about that Brandon Nimmo trade? I'm with you. I think they did that to make room for some other shit. Like Look this guy up. I'm going to post it in the chat. Look up this guy's stats. He's in there. He's in their farm system. He probably, if I think they're making room to make a big splash in the outfield. Semien is a really good second baseman. I don't even know if he's still going to be on the team. But look that guy up. We do need more pitching. We do. He's probably going to put up similar numbers. This dude, if he becomes an everyday player and he's ready, he's probably gonna be ready. If he becomes an everyday player, he'll put up similar numbers or better than Nimmo did for fucking, the league minimum because he's going to be a rookie. David Stearns. We need more cowbell. McLovin. William Chapman, what up? All right, what's going to happen here? I'm worried that this might be the high that I need to fucking base my shit off of, which will be okay because that's the 707, but we'll see. We'll see. Yes, will you see, guys? Will you see? So the market's still open, obviously. It's open for another hour. This shit is moving slow as fuck, though. What's the NQ doing? Was there a big split? Oh, my God. The NQ pumped, guys. Hey, you see, guys? The NQ pumped. It pumped 10 points. But look, you see, guys? You see, guys? Look at this, guys. From this high to this low, we just missed the 786, but we bounced off the 707. All fucking day this shit happens. All day. Doesn't matter what instrument. You see, guys? What is this, a 618 rejection? Yeah, look. And the VWAP. You had some confluence with. Is that the VWAP, though? Let me see. Am I fully zoomed in on this fucker? No, that isn't the VWAP. Yo, so you see Tradeovate? Tradeovate's fucked up. That was not the VWAP. You see, guys? Yeah, he's a good player. Look at his stats. He's a guy. Oh, you got everybody. You guys are hosting, Carlos? Carlos left the house to get away from the madness and is hanging out on the stream. Thanks, man. Yoshi. A minute before the close. A minute before the close. Which is this hour. Yoshi, this hour. This market's moving like I was. Yeah, I know, man. Crazy. Guys, you see, guys? This was the big move. This was 9:30. This was the usual New York Open. You see, guys, right here, it's 317 to 287. That was the big move for what would have been the New York Open. I would like to because there's times when it does that, JP. I'm noticing. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do. A lot of times if I don't get filled, if it comes like within like 2 or 3 ticks of filling me, let's say on a short, right? I'm looking to go short and it comes here and it rejects and drops like 30, 40 ticks and then starts working its way back up. Most of the time I'm going to cancel it just out of spite because I'm fucking annoyed. At that point, I'm annoyed. It's like you couldn't give me 2 more fucking ticks and fill me. You know what I mean? But there's a lot of times I notice that it will retest the same level and then drop again and drop even harder or further. That, yo, Jay Stores, it was like limited. He barely got any at bats. It was like the end of the season. Let me make sure I didn't get fucking. What did I pay for this thing? Oh shit. Yo. This rebill right here was only $16.70, bruh. Oh my God. If I hope I pass this fucking thing because Apex is doing that. Apex is on that. So if you weren't aware, Apex's Black Friday deal is 80% off any size eval, $10 lifetime activation fee on the 100K accounts. Everything else is $40. So they brought the $40 lifetime activation fee back. So I don't fuck with the 100Ks. You can if you want, because that is their lowest all-in cost right now, ever. But yeah, look, JP, I think you're asking because it retested this 618 and then rejected again. I'm with you. But this account I paid $16.70 for. If I'm able to pass this eval, it's going to cost me $56 all in for a funded Apex account. A funded 50K. That's insane. I'm not just gonna jump in anything with this. I'm gonna wait for a fucking good opportunity and see if I could get that shit passed. In the meantime, I would like to trade these three. I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to. And it doesn't matter. I don't need to. You know what else is going on with Apex? Today and tomorrow is the same day. So I don't need to get a trade day in on these. I would like to, but if I can, because that's what I want to trade next. I'm working through my Apex account right now, you know? But when you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY, the best fucking code on these prop firm streets, you will save 80% off and you could get $10 lifetime activation fee on the 100Ks and 40 on everything else. You see, guys? Make them holla. Coral Sky. Lost a couple of PAs on Wednesday. Yeah, I could see that happening. What up, No? I lose PAs, you know. I lose funded accounts. Actually, not as often as I used to, but I do lose funded accounts. I got paid. I got my third, for the first time ever, I got a third payout on a prop firm that requires multiple days between payouts. And that was my Lucid account on Friday. And then on fucking Sunday night, I blew that fucking thing. I couldn't fucking win a trade to save my life. Like blew it, like lost like $2,300. That was all my drawdown. I was pissed because I wanted to get another fucking payout from the same account. Now I don't have any funded Lucid accounts. All I have are these fucking, am I logged in here? Well, I can't. These are trade days. All I have are evals. That's all I have. You see, guys, just evals. Also, if you are trading gold, GCZ, this is GCZ. This contract is done. You see, guys, GCG is what you want. And on TradeAvate, it's GCG6. There is a GCG7. I don't know what that is, but it's not the one. You could tell. This is how you could tell. This is how you can tell this isn't the right one. Can't even see the fucking candles. You see, guys? What is this shit? So it's GCG. I'll type it in the chat. Why would they even have it? Why would they even have that in there? Why even put 2027? Can we get to 2026 first? You see, guys? So I'm actually going to remove this fucking thing. We don't even need it. Bye. Night, night. Keep your butt hold tight, GCG. Anyway. Yo, Shahid. Yo, yeah. Kevin, what up? Kevin! Take Profit Trader. When you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY, they do not have activation fees. Right now, it's 30% off with no activation fee. And if you take an account to a payout, you will get 100% of your initial test fee refunded to you. So you can literally have the account for free if you take it to a payout. With the best code ZERODAYJAY, 30% off, no activation fee. Mill Doctor, what up? Disciplined Futures Trader, what up? Olisa. P. Yeah, we're closing. Yeah, we're closing real soon. This is it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to trade. I mean, I missed this. I was on for this, but I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. Clearly, that was basically my only opportunity. We'll see though. We got some time. We got time. Yeah. Who gives a fuck about 2027? The world could be fucked. We could all be dead by then. The world might finally end. 2027. What's the contract? Is there a GCG8 for 2028, guys? Oh, why don't they have GCG8? Why? Is that too far out? Is there you know? Yeah. I don't know if your question was answered. Asia opens at 6. Asia opens at it's not Asia. It's not Asia yet, but the market reopens at 6 p.m. Eastern. And then it closes at 1:15 tomorrow. The market will be moving around during the overnight. The NQ, I don't know. I don't really care about the NQ. I know gold will be moving. Hey. Yeah, Alfred, I hear you, bro. But on futures, like, why would anybody grab a fucking contract for a fucking 2027 futures? Stupid. I can tell you one thing. I'm excited about where gold is going to be in 2027. Yeah, gold is a shit. Gold, you can rock gold all day, but during the overnight, it's fucking amazing. There's fires in Hong Kong. Are they wildfires like Hawaii? Let's see this shit. What are they going to blame it? What are they? Let's see. Oh, the Hong Kong high rise. That's fucking crazy. I thought we were going to be talking about doing the do like they did in Hawaii and Cali. But that's none of our business. You know what I mean? That's none of our business. Yeah, I was looking at it. I saw it on my other computer. Renee from John Jay. Yeah, that shit fucking sucks, man. Bino, what's good? Let's see what the fuck is going on here. Well, we'll wait. This shit is dead. It sucks. NQ's looking to pump here. NQ's looking to pump off this 707 bounce. It's up 8. It's up 9 points, 8 points, guys. You see, guys? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to trade these accounts. I'm kind of annoyed about that. Not gonna lie, kind of want to trade them and not look at my Apex account tomorrow and tonight, other than this eval. I don't know what's gonna happen. I was hoping to take at least one trade, but I'm not just gonna get into a trade just to get into a trade. You know what I mean? If I had to get a flip day in, I would do that at the very least, but I don't have to. These 3 accounts I already got paid on. I'm over the buffer. I'm back over the buffer. I got 3 days in so far. I need 2 more days. How hard can it be? 2 more days. You know what I got to look at though? My charts. What days? What kind of days did I have with these? With these. What was my biggest day? What was my biggest day? Hold on. I'm going to look right here. Since I got paid, I'm looking at Monday, November 24th. My payouts were approved on those 3 accounts, 497, 498, 498, and 499. I did $234 on Monday. Tuesday. I did 305. Yesterday, I did 232. All right, so 305 is my biggest day. I'm good on consistency. I got 3 days in. I need 2 more days. How hard can it be? I want to push it though. My goal is max payout land. My goal is max payout land, but I'm also I like to practice what I preach and take what's available when it's available. But I don't know. We'll see how the next couple of days goes. This shit ain't fucking moving. Kind of annoyed. You see, guys? Can something cool happen? Let me go back to gold. That's what I have an order in on. We might have a chance of it going down and coming here for a bounce around this area before it goes up. Yo, what up, Reed? Nice, bro. Good shit. Hunter B. Yo, Eddie, what up? If a new trader asked me for the best value all around, what prop would you send them to? You talking about like best all-in price, including rules and all that shit? For a new trader? For a new trader, is you know, what's their budget like? Is cost a factor, or is cost a non-factor, or is cost like maybe not? Olivier, what up, man? Sparta. That's what I'm looking. Well, 81 41 879 41 790. That happened over here. I don't think we're going to get that again. Coach Fred. No, it's not. I'm not in a camper, bro. It's just a back. It's just some other fucking jerk off YouTuber. Well, whatever. I don't give a fuck about that. Some other YouTuber called me white trash once. So I got a fucking screenshot. I downloaded a picture of a fucking camper to fulfill the prophecy. I'm here in my garage, not my garage. I'm here next to my garage. I'm here on the other side of my garage. Look. Harjeet. Rules, payout, price is not a factor. I would say take profit trader or trade day. I would honestly, I might even say trade day. And here's why. Because you could get end of day trailing. I would say shit. For a new trader, end of day trailing is probably better than intraday. Would you guys agree? So in that regard, but at the same time, like, is that new trader, how soon is that new trader going to be passing evals? Like, they're not going to be passing evals on their first couple of accounts. I don't know. Maybe Apex because they're cheap. You could get Apex accounts you could be all in with Apex accounts for $77, but there's intraday trailing. Maybe my funded futures core. That might be the one. Or Lucid. A 25, nah, there's not enough drawdown on Lucid. Like a 50K Lucid. I would say maybe those Flex Lucid accounts when they come out. Like a 50K Lucid Flex or a My Funded Futures Core. And then beyond that, trade day, because we're also, I'm taking price into consideration because we all know how this shit, like, price might not be an issue yet, but blow enough fucking accounts and start doing the math on how much this shit's costing you, and then price might become an issue. There's so many options, though. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Core for sure. There's no activation fee. I was thinking trade day because those 50K end of day trailing accounts with the best code ZERODAYJAY are $115 all in, but you still got to pass. Trade day is 30% off with no activation fee right now. I'm curious what their Black Friday deal is going to be, if they're going to do anything. I'm sure they're going to do something. Maybe go to 40%. Universe hates me. What up? Did I disappear? Am I still here? Oh, I'm here. Wait till you see my setup in the new digs. I might not have it. I mean, I'm going to be in that house. Like Monday, I'll be streaming from that house. But My new setup is not going to be here for a few weeks, I think. I don't know. I don't know. Bullinox is probably the cheapest front end cost right now. They're 85% off. Option one, option two, with the best code ZERODAYJAY, of course. But the activation fee is $148. And Bullinox is not, I wouldn't say Bullinox is the easiest one to get a payout from. You got to trade, you got to be good for 10 days. Well, you got to be good for 8 days, really. Minimum. My Fund the Futures, you got to be good for 5. After you pass, of course. Is that Maximus? Is that a real rule? Yo, is that Pimp Daddy? Pimp Daddy's in his burner account. What's up, motherfucker? What's new at Lucid? They're rolling out their flex plan. Hold on. Look, Tick Daddy was pleading with me last night because I was so fucking mad about that Apex account, but I recovered it. But he's like, "Why must you do this?" That shit was funny. So the flex plan, here's what the flex plan is going to be priced at. They're going to be 40% off on Friday. Tomorrow. You could buy 25K, 50K, 100K, or 150K. And then also the pros. Well, right now you got Lucid Test and then Pro when you get funded. Now they're calling those are just called Lucid Pro accounts. You got Pro Eval and Pro Funded now. And they're going from 35% consistency to 40% consistency, and the prices are going up just a tad, basically to make room for the flex. Adam, 20% off Pro, but I heard, I'm not 100% sure about it, but I heard that the Pro accounts are going to be 50% off for Black Friday. That's what I heard. Bobby Digital. Lucky Duck. Thank you. Same to you. I was really hoping to fucking, oh shit. Maybe I'm going to get filled. Do you see that? The shit just turned up, yo. 24 ticks. Have I heard anything about trade day? Not yet. They don't really communicate with us. I haven't heard anything about that shit. Mart Man, what's good? Yeah, it closes at 1, bro. Closes at 1. Yeah, that's the thing. A lot of these firms have something, though. Coach Fred blinded by the momentum. Let me zoom. Let me make this a little bigger. Yeah, make sure, especially with Take Profit Trader, close that shit out before the market closes. Oh my God. It's like watching paint dry. Oh shit, here it comes. It's gonna come. It's gonna come. Can you feel me? It's iTrades is red by $3.50. I mean 3 points, 3.5 points, 4 points. That's fucking funny. Oh my God. Why? What happens when you watch paint dry? You just sit there staring at it. Just we're watching candles dry. What are we doing here? Come on, baby, feel me? Can you feel me? Yeah, it died. Like this was the last. This was like the last hurrah of the day. This drop, which was nice. I missed that. This drop and this little pop here. That was it for gold. Oh shit, maybe not. Maybe not. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Investors, what up? Yeah, everybody wants to go watch fucking football. Yeah, gold was moving. Even the NQ was like not really moving last night. Gold was though. Gold is the shit. Oh my God, I came so close to getting filled. Oh man, are you fucking serious? You fucking I love it. Couldn't give me 5 more ticks. I said that was gonna happen. I knew it. I'm so mad I could just scream. So it finally came back up to the 707, wicked above it by a couple of ticks. That's why a lot lately I've been putting orders at the 707 and the 786. I just didn't want to do it today. There's no volume. I didn't want to get caught in some bullshit. But look, you see, guys, from this high to this low, that's the 707. But even if I move it all the way to the high of day, actually, that's not the high of day, but the last high, the last high, the high, this one is the 618. We almost hit the 707. I'm so fucking annoyed. I waited all fucking session, the whole stream for that. Oh, look at it go. Down 14 ticks, yo. I mean, there's not, I don't see it doing much. I don't see much happening, but could have got $100. You know? But that's all I like now. Maybe that's why not as many people come on my stream, because I'm actually patient now. I actually wait. No one wants to see that shit. They want to see me fucking degen into fucking positions. They want to see me full port every fucking account. They want to see me fucking just get in trades just to get in trades because they want that dopamine. I'm evolving. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, chat. You see, chat? Be good, Volkspart. You do the same. 8 Mile, what up? Nayo, same to you. Yeah, I mean, Lance, I've developed an edge. So why would I fucking do anything else? I get it, like to pass evals and shit, but the market's not even moving. No one wants to see you master waiting, NJ. Yeah. This is a new trading platform called Mastervate. Yeah, P, it's fucking dead, bro. The shit's over. We just yo, we popped. You see that? We pumped. Watch this though. Watch this. You see, guys? You see, guys? Look at that. 7, it's already down fucking 5 fucking points, guys. But that's all we're gonna get now, especially on the NQ. I'm actually worried about this. I'm gonna move this up because I'm a bitch. Coach Singh. Oh yeah, of course, man. I get all that. And I like to provide that. I like to provide that type of value to people because I don't win at all my trades. I don't win all my trades, especially when I'm fucking with evals trying to play passive smash. How many fucking trade day accounts have you seen me blow since I blew my live account? Evals, a fuck ton. Can't get my I'm having trouble getting my $900 days to pass those fucking things. Design on, what up? Took 4 minis for bro. Bacon, what's good? KDP. Hey man, I love that for you, bro. Oh, it just bounced like that. What is this? I bet this is the 618. Watch this. The fibs be fibbing. Yep. 618. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the 618 right there. I mean, would literally, it's not moving at all. But the fibs be fibbing to the end. Tory Trade's husband. Bro, I know, man. I'm DJing, yeah. GA, bro. It's true. I don't know. I'll fucking go crazy on an eval, but I don't know. The name of the game with these funded accounts is to hold on to them for multiple payouts, and like you don't always have to be in a position. You don't have to be in a fucking position with every fucking move that these charts are making. It looks like it. You would imagine this shit's moving so slow, you would think it's on the 4 hour. Just ain't right. Manuel, what up? Today, regarding your Apex question, today and tomorrow is one day. Other firms count it as a separate day. Some firms do the combination, other firms don't. But Apex is today and tomorrow is one trading day, which is another reason why I'm not like sweating the fact that I wasn't able to trade these. The market, like especially gold will be moving during the overnight. Oh, hell yeah. Keeping an eval alive is super important. Attention, attention. Tory Trade's husband spilling the beans. Spilling the beans on Tory. Yeah, Josh, like less accounts, more profits, or holding on to the same account. Holding, like, which is something I haven't really been that good at. I'm starting to get better at it. Like, for example, I just requested my third payout on these accounts. I've had these same 2 funded accounts since October 3rd. First payout, second payout, and now I'm on my third payout. I just requested the other day. I requested my third payout on the leader and the follower, assuming they approve me, which I don't see why they wouldn't. Right? Let me go to Twitter, so you can see, guys. You see, guys, right here. Here's one, 554 for 1,500. That was from the 25th. What was it? That was Tuesday, and 53 for 1,500. That will be the third payout on both of those accounts. And I did it for the first time ever, 3 payouts with Lucid on Friday. Up until then, I've gotten 2 payouts from the same account. Like 5, 6, 7 times or whatever. Well, now 8 or 9 times if you count these 3 accounts, these 2 and the other Lucid account. And this doesn't include Take Profit Trader and Trade Day, the prop firms that let you get paid every day. I've gotten 3 payouts from the same account a bunch of times on those daily payout accounts. I'm talking about prop firms that require you to trade X amount of days between payouts, like Apex. I got paid on these. I'm trying to get paid again on them, and again and again and again. You hold on to you buy less evals if you're holding on to funded accounts. Tory Trade side dude. I think he's locked in Tory Trade's husband's basement. Autumn Labs, what up? Autumn 9 Labs. No, I don't know. That's debatable, Josh. That's what works for you, bro. One account, and you do well with it. I don't know. I got $29,000 in payouts in less than 6 weeks trading with multiple accounts. Robert Gallis, thank you. Same to you. Yo, Andrew Tate. Yo, Tory Trade's husband. You better watch out for Andrew Tate. He might take Tory and solicit her. Yeah, Josh. I mean, bro, you're dialed in, man. You know you could trade with more than one account. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, bro. But maybe for you, and I'm not saying this is the case for you, but I've experienced it when there's a bunch of accounts being traded at the same time, it kind of fucks with your head. Especially if you're copy trading. And if you're not copy trading them and you're doing one at a time, we only have so many good trades in us every day. You know what I'm saying? Side dude heard his, yeah. Tory Trade side dude's ears started ringing. Yeah, absolutely, Josh. I mean, when I had those 20 Apex accounts and I was trading a group of 10 and a group of 9, and then I had one by itself because I got it after the fact. I mean, look what happened. It fucked me. It sent me into a fucking downward spiral of fucking really fucked upness. My trading was awful. I couldn't fucking I couldn't fucking get a payout. I got only $2,000 in September, and it was the middle of September. And then I didn't get a payout again until October 16th. But since October 16th, I've gotten $29,000 in payouts because I learned, I discovered my edge, basically. And I stopped fucking with the NQ. The less I fuck with the NQ, the better off I am, especially with funded accounts. Have I used Replicanto? No, but I haven't heard anything bad about it. Yeah, I need volatility too. Sometimes, like, you see how slow this shit is moving? What's the NQ doing? See how fucking slow it's going? Like, I don't know. This shit kind of like lulls me to sleep and I miss. And like the move might be happening right in front of my eyes. I'm watching the charts, but I don't even notice it because it's moving so fucking slow. So I need volatility myself. Yeah. The other thing too, like we were just talking about, like you got to know yourself. Oh shit. Well, that's where my order was before. It would have gotten filled. But do I want it to get filled there? Do I want it to get filled there? Not necessarily. Where's silver at? I just want to see what the silver spot is. Damn, silver's at $53.24, brother. I'm gonna go roll around in my silver. What's gold spot at? That's still fucking amazing. All right. So that I would have gotten filled there. I moved my order up because I expanded the fib to this high. So I would have gotten filled there. We'll see if it gets up here. I'm a little nervous though at the same time. Like, is this gonna fucking start algo fucking pumping on me because the fucking market's closing? Here's the NQ, guys. We're in a 2-point range, guys. You see, guys? But look what's happening. I should have left this order there. Whatever. I don't even care. I'll have much better opportunities during the overnight. Well, shit, I'm about to get filled, so I'm about to care. Yeah. Sherry, what's up? Cashol. Oh, fuck, I got filled. Good thing I moved it up. Let's see if I get something here. Oh shit! Finally got a trade. Oh, hey! Don't fade me. Uh-oh. I should have taken it. What's the spread right now? This is usually the spread all the time. 3 or 4 ticks lately. That's what I've been noticing. Uh-oh. Rut-row. JP, yep. Yeah, that was a nice gold pump. It was nice. From here, really. This was a 786. We wicked below it a little bit and we bounced. It took forever, though. It took like 2 fucking hours. 836 to get 80 ticks. Hour and a half. Hour and a half to get 80 ticks. Mikey. The spread on micro gold, yeah. Tonight will be better. Adam, tonight will definitely be better. Come on, baby. I hear a fucking flying here. I feel like Mike Pence. I feel like Mike Pence right now. Wants to land on my dirty, smelly hat. Oh, cash all. Yeah, yeah. Oh, shit. It's fucking dumping. It's dumping. Oh. Did I have like 90 bucks there? Oh, shit. Get the fuck down there, bro. Get the fuck down there. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Oh, oh. The spread is. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, shit. I got $100 to make them holla. I'm still going to trade these accounts during the overnight. I want more than 100, but I'll take this. Give it to. Oh, Granny. Don't do that. Keep going, motherfucker. Yeah, I'll just take that. I bet I wouldn't be surprised if it comes and takes my take profit because that's what usually happens. Oh, I'm fucking green everywhere, bro. I'm green everywhere. It's probably going to come down further. My take profit was at 889. Let's see. Ronnie. 2E. Oh, dude, what did I tell you guys? This happens. Bro, you don't know how fucking pissed I was last night about that. It just went down another how many ticks? I got out at 9:05. It just went down 6 more ticks. You fuck. 889 was my take profit. Shabiz, I already had a business, but a lot of the shit, a lot of the prop firms are personal. I think it's the same as it's everything else. It's just the payout structure is different. That's why they call it flex, TGT. I'm pretty sure it's still 5 days. Is it possible to reset a funded account on my fund the futures? Oh my God, this is going to hit it. I'm going to be so fucking pissed. You used to be able to. I don't know if you still can. Let me see. I'm going to go on my fund the futures account right now because I do have a blown funded account in there. They used to let you. I don't know if they still do though. And I remember them being cheaper than look at that shit go. Look at that shit go. Just 8 more ticks to my take profit that I fucking don't have anymore because I'm not in the trade anymore, guys. Whatever. I still won the trade. That was it. It did go down another. Went down another 7 or 8 ticks. So let's see here. Sim funded. You can't. I don't know if you could reset the new plans. You used to be able to reset the other shit though. Let me see if I can find one. Starter. No, I don't know if you can. Because you know, in my fund the futures on the dashboard, it tells you if you could hold on. All right. Well, let me just go with any eval. You see how it's right here? I could reset the eval. I'm hiding. I'm doing this for my privacy, guys. For my privacy and your protection. Like I give a fuck. What's going on here? Well, the market's closed now, right? It's still going. Is it 115? But anyway, you see how you see the reset here? If I go to a blown funded account, here's like a core. Here's the sim funded core account I had that was blown. There's no reset. There's no reset button. So I don't know if you can. I don't know. You used to be able to at some point, but not with these new shits. You could always hit up support too. But why would you want to do that? Why would you want to pay to reset a funded account? Just pass the cheaper eval. Even if you pass 1 out of 5, it's still going to be cheaper than resetting a funded account. You can't wait. You could pass it in 2 days. This shit's still going. My take profit might get hit after all. You see, guys? Tyson, you can copy trade them, but you need a third-party platform. You need a third-party copy trader to do so. Because they're different Trade accounts. But I could copy trade if you have, let's say you have more than one Lucid account. More than one Lucid account, you could copy trade them all within that Trade account. Jay Jackson, whoo, I've been rolling with Lucid, bro. Watch. I done been loading with Lucid. Hold on a sec. I guess the market's closing in 15 minutes. What's NQ doing? Oh shit, bro. Look at this. Oh, 4 points, guys. Hold on, I gotta hide my screen. I'm gonna log into my Lucid account. All right. I'm in, yo. So here's my evals that I got that I've had for a couple of days. I haven't traded them. And here's my payouts. Jay, you've been here, bro. You know I'm getting fucking, I fuck with Lucid. Here are all the payouts I got since I started trading with them in October. This one, 3, 1, 2, 3 for the same fucking account. And then I blew it. I'm so pissed. Holy Earth, what up? I will be later. Timothy Chapo. Bro. Yeah, that's what I knew that. Yeah, Jay, but whatever. Hey, Jay Jackson, you gave me an opportunity to fucking show my payouts, to show my Photoshop skills. Thank you. Hey, everybody say thanks to Jay Jackson. Who? I got to flex my Photoshop skills because I Photoshop all my payouts. I don't actually get any payouts. I Photoshop that shit. Coral Sky. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, chat. Hey, Pine Tree, chat. Oh, the new. I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm not sure. I might grab 1 or 2. I don't know. They're different. I don't know if I necessarily like them more. You got to grow the account bigger to get a payout. You're going to get half. It's very, very similar to Top Step. And like my funded futures with the flex add-ons and all that shit. So I don't know. The difference is there's no daily loss limit. So there's always going to be a give and a take. You know what I mean? Oh shit, fucking gold is pumping. Tyson on Take Profit Trader 25Ks to pass the test is 1500. To the buffer is also 1500. Anything over the buffer you can request. The buffer is the same on Take Profit Trader. On the 25K. The 25K is actually like the best dollar for dollar account, but it's just harder to, you know, you don't have as much drawdown, but you do get 1,500 in drawdown. It's not bad. Pine Tree, yeah. Well, you know, yeah. You feel like you could keep getting more. You know what I mean? I know. You know me. But at some point, right, you got to make the adjustment. Or don't trade them if you get into trouble with them. Oh shit, yo. You see that? Oh, the NQ is done. And look at that. I don't know if I can trade. Yo, so the NQ, the NASDAQ is done because it's Thanksgiving, right? Gold is still going. Can I fucking place an order? I don't think I can trade, though. Let me see if I can place an order. So gold is still moving. But you can't trade anymore after fucking 10 o'clock or 1 p.m. Eastern anyway on these prop firms. But gold is still moving around. Jamila, they do, but you should use it anyway. There's nobody gets a discount anymore unless you get unless you grab a pro account. If you grab a pro account, you could get 20% off with my code. I'll show you. My code is still the best code though, Jamila. It's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop from Streets. And you know this. And you know this. But here's the deal right now. If you put in my code, you'll get 20% off your first month of a pro account, with a pro account, up to 5 times. I heard I also heard that the pro is going to be 50% off tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure though. Let me just double check my emails. I'm not even supposed to tell you guys, maybe. I don't even know, but that's what I heard. Let me see. Let me see, chat. Nothing yet. I don't have anything official yet. But yeah, Jamila, they got rid of you know what they did? They got rid of the 5% discount. You used to be able to put a code in to get that default 5%. There is no 5% discount anymore. That's what happened to everyone. But if you use my code, like if you want to make sure I get credit for the sale, right? Because you want to support the channel, put my code in anyway. D's. Dave, what up, man? Granny. JP, I appreciate it. Yeah. Got to put it in anyway because it has the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop from Streets. All right, guys, I'm going to bounce. As much as I want to hang out all day, I got to start fucking packing and shit. More packing. Going through my shit. Fib certified. Yep, Fib certified. That's right. So anyway, with that said, I will be on tomorrow, same time. The market closes, I think, at 1:15 tomorrow, p.m. Eastern. So I'll try to get on a little earlier. I just fucking woke up and was like, oh shit. So I'll try to be on for a couple of hours, and then maybe I'll be on later on tonight. I don't know. We'll see. But I appreciate you guys for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out for Trevor Leconte. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. All that good shit. Oh, join the Discord. If you guys aren't in the Discord, if you're not in the best community on these prop firm streets where the DCA gang hangs out, the DGen fam, here is the link real quick for you guys. Yeah, be safe out there today, guys. All right. Happy Thanksgiving to those who celebrate it. Everybody else, enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you guys soon.